What should you be looking for in a winning product? So first and foremost, we want to make sure that this product has high demand and low competition. So what does high demand mean, right? Because there's no specific number that establishes what high demand is, but we want to make sure that we're making money and that this product is actually selling. A good rule of thumb is to find a product that sells 10 units per day, that's around 300 per month, at around $10 profit margin per product, right? Now, you wanna make sure that these products are selling around 300 per month, and a majority of the sellers have less than 300 reviews. This is a good starting point for you finding products that have high demand and low competition. If you see a product that's selling thousands of units and they have thousands of reviews, then chances are that that's a saturated product. Now that we got demand out of the way, let's talk about margin. We talked a little bit about what you should look for, and again, these are just starting points. These aren't concrete, only find products with these metrics, but you wanna make sure that your profit margin is not below 25%, which means if you sell a product for $10, $2.50 is the bare minimum profit margin. Now, how do we calculate profit margin? So there's a free tool. You can literally go into Google and type in FBA calculator and it'll pop up. Also, our favorite tool, AMZ Hunter, also has an FBA calculator built into the Chrome extension, as well as the widget that shows up on your Amazon listing. You can see the link somewhere on this video or below this video for AMZ Hunter. But we want to use this FBA calculator to plug in what our sourcing cost is, meaning what is the cost of our products. Now, you'll find that from your supplier, whether you're choosing Alibaba or a US supplier, so on and so forth. Once you find out what the product is going to cost you, find out what the competition is selling it for, put that in there, and then what's going to happen is it's going to subtract these numbers and it's going to show you based off the product, the category, the size, so on and so forth, what you're going to be paying in fees. Now, Amazon charges you a few fees in order to use FBA, which is Fulfillment by Amazon. Now, take it from my experience working with an operation that has 50 plus employees, having 15,000 square foot and doing the whole warehouse thing, you cannot beat Amazon's logistics price. Number one, if you go to a secondary 3PL or third-party logistics company, they can't match anywhere near Amazon's rates because Amazon has the largest contract in the world with UPS. On top of that, they have their own robots, planes, their own freight line. It's just ridiculous, right? So long story short, plug those numbers into the FBA calculator and it's gonna show you your net profit margin. Typically what we're seeing and a lot of my clients are seeing are 30 to 50%. The higher the margin, the more aggressive you can be with advertising. So keep that in mind. Next, we want to look for a product that is not trending and a product that is not seasonal. Now, I'm telling you about both of these together because we're going to use another free tool, which is Google Trends. Now, again, on AMZ Hunter, we integrate with Google Trends so you can actually see these charts directly on your Amazon dashboard and inside of the Chrome extension. Now, the way that we tell if this product is trending is when we look at the data, when we look at the historical data, which is, it almost looks like the heart monitor, right? If you've ever been to the doctor and you see that little monitor, you watched ER, that little monitor that goes up and down, it's gonna show you a chart like that. And what we wanna see is something that's nice and sideways or horizontal. That means that it does not have volatility. And anybody in the finance world will tell you volatility is volatility. And it's not good nor bad. Usually it's bad, right? But what we wanna do is we wanna find a product that has depth of market and a product that's gonna sell 24/7, 365. Now, if you wanna see what a seasonal product looks like, go to Google Trends and type in Christmas lights or pumpkin carving kit. And what you're gonna see is around those specific seasons of the year, you're gonna see a spike and then a dip. Now, how do you identify a trending product? You can also go to Google Trends and type in fidget spinner. When you look at the historical data for the fidget spinner, you're gonna notice that it was sideways, it shot up, and then just as quick as it skyrocketed, it actually nosedived, right? So we don't want any volatility whatsoever. We want a product that's nice and sustainable, that's gonna continue to sell 24/7, 365. So we have demand, we have profit margin, we have seasonality, we have trending. Now, last but not least, what we want to look for is to cover our rear end and make sure that this product is not patented. So we're going to use another free tool called Google Patents. You're literally going to go to Google, which is the largest search engine in the world, and you're going to type in Google Patents, and then you're going to simply type in the name of the product. And what this is going to do is it's going to show you all of the provisional patents and all of the pending patents for your product. Now, if you find your product, rest assured that you can make some alterations or some changes to your product so that it's not infringing intellectually. But that's what we want to make sure that we bypass and that we are not doing, is infringing on people's intellectual property. Now, what does that mean? That means that if I was to create a product or to come up with a product idea and a function and then file for a patent, that means it's specific to me. We created that function, we created that product, and no one can infringe on it or no one can sell that product without licensing rights from us. Now, of course, if you get into a situation like that and you're unsure, this is just advice. Make sure you reach out to a patent lawyer to make sure that you're not making any mistakes. And there you have it, guys. That's just a few of the quick tips that I highly suggest when you are looking for a winning product.